Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with AJT, and in this lesson I'll be showing you the project of the Tetris game that we will be creating. So in the Tetris game, it has a home screen and a game screen. It also has shapes that we can use to place it. It has the left and right button, the rotate button, and the straight down button. It also has a play mode and other modes. But in this series, I'll be only showing you how to make the play mode and the whole game screen. I'll be showing you the app right now. So this is the app of the Tetris game, and if we hit on play, we can see the Tetris game itself. We can move, and then we can go straight down. Every time you place a block, you get 20 points, and every time you finish a line, you get, I think, around 100 points. And that's the Tetris game. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!